Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving into some challenging MDAct MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which component of a virus is responsible for its attachment to specific host cell receptors? A. Capsid protein. B. Envelope glycoprotein. C. Nucleic acid. D. Viral enzyme. So the correct option is B. Envelope glycoprotein. The next MCQ is what is the primary difference between RNA viruses and DNA viruses? A. RNA viruses have a protein code, DNA viruses do not. B. RNA viruses replicate in the cytoplasm, DNA viruses in the nucleus. C. RNA viruses cause a chronic infection, DNA viruses cause acute infection. D. RNA viruses infect animals, DNA viruses infect plants. So the correct option is B. And the next MCQ is which of the following diseases caused by a virus that can undergo antigenic shift leading to pandemics? A. Common cold. B. Influenza. C. Hepatitis B. And D. Rabies. So the correct option is B. Influenza. The next MCQ is which of the following statement is true about the replication of bacteriophages? A. They replicate outside the bacterial cell. B. They replicate by binary fission. C. They can undergo both lactic and lysogenic cycles. D. They always kill the host cell immediately. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is what is the term used for viruses that have RNA as their genetic material and use reverse transcriptase to replicate? A. DNA viruses. B. RNA viruses. C. Retroviruses. And D. Bacteriophages. So the correct option is retroviruses. The next MCQ is which of the following is a method by which prions cause disease? A. By integrating into the host genome. B. By triggering misfolding of normal proteins. And the third option is by producing toxins. D. By causing cell lysis. So the correct option is B. In the context of viral infection, what does host specificity refers to? A. The ability of a virus to cause a disease in multiple species. B. The range of host cell a virus can infect. C. The type of disease symptoms a virus causes. And D. The method of viral transmission. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following statement best describe the role of integrase in retroviral replication? A. It synthesizes viral RNA from DNA. B. It integrates viral DNA into the host genome. C. It assembles viral capsids. And D. It cleaves viral polyproteins. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following is a unique feature of prions compared to viruses and virids? A. Prion lack nucleic acid. B. Prion have a protein code. C. Prion infect only plants. D. Prion have a lipid envelope. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which viral life cycle phase is characterized by the assembly of a new viron within the host cell? A. Attachment. B. Penetration. C. Biosynthesis. D. Maturation. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which of the following viral structure is involved in the protection and delivery of the viral genome into host cell? A. Capsid. B. Envelope. C. Nucleic acid. D. Enzyme. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is how do I write different from conventional viruses in terms of structure? A. Virus have a protein code. Viruses do not. Virus have a lipid envelope. Viruses do not. C. Virus consists only of RNA without a protein code. And D. Virus have both DNA and RNA. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following is a common method used by viruses to evade the host immune system? A. Lipid mutation. B. Binary fission. C. Fermentation. D. Photosynthesis. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ says which of the following statement is true about the size of viruses compared to bacteria? A. Viruses are generally larger than bacteria. B. Viruses are generally smaller than bacteria. C. Viruses and bacteria are the same size. D. Viruses are cells. Bacteria are cellular, acellular. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses has a high mutation rate due to the lack of proofreading ability of its RNA polymerase. The first option is hepatitis B viruses. Second, human immune deficiency virus (HIV). Third, Epstein-Barr virus, and fourth, Herpes simplex virus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is in the lactic cycle of a bacteriophage, what occurs after the viral DNA is injected into the host cell? A. Integration into the host genome. B. Integration, immediate replication and assembly of new viruses. D. C. Formation of prophage. And D. Lysogenic conversion. So the correct option is B. Which of the following disease is caused by an RNA virus? A. Smallpox. B. Polio. C. Chickenpox. D. Measles. So the correct option is measles. The next MCQ is which viral enzyme is targeted by antiretroviral drug to inhibit HIV replication? A. DNA polymerase. B. Integrase. C. Reverse transcriptase. And D. RNA polymerase. So the correct option is C. Reverse transcriptase. So the next MCQ is which type of virus is capable of forming a provirus? A. DNA virus. B. RNA virus. C. retrovirus. D. Bacteriophage. So the correct option is C. Retrovirus. The next MCQ is which of the following method is commonly used to culture virus in the laboratory? A. Nutrient agar plates. B. Cell structure. C. Selective media. D. Blood sugar plates. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDAct MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.